welcome back to Stephanie Reacts to the Bureau of Magical Things. Well, this is Season 2, Episode 4, The Big Sneeze. Well, last week's episode was a brilliant one. We had Fortunia's Compact. It's where that new lassie who joined the school, she's a fairy, that lassie, but she had the compact mirror, and she made wishes all the time, like, changed classes, so she been in class with Kyra and stuff. But then Madsen had it and stuff. Madsen kept making wishes over wishes. But at the end, when they got the mirror back, Madsen had the fake one, and she was shouting inside the coffee shop, "I wish I had a new dress! I had a new dress!" That was funny. But now I think Madsen's gonna be the new Peter. Like Peter in Season 1, I says, last week's review, he kept being a spy, anything like trying, magic's real now, I think. And he kept trying to follow up on all these magical sightings. Until you recorded Kyra and all that going through a wall in the bookshop. So, I think something's going to happen to be Madsen or that. If it does, you may have to mind wipe her. You might. If they've not already done it to her. But the big sneeze, maybe it's something to do with one of Dara's keys. Maybe it's like a big, I know that this is not what I'm saying, but this is just a theory kind of thing. Maybe it's something like an Easter Island statue or something, to make it sneeze or something, and the key falls out his mouth or his nose or something. Maybe that's like the big sneeze. You to make something sneeze to get the key or that. But you know, even to do with Dara or Kyra with their plans. Could be something else, completely different. But it could be like a giant or an ogre maybe then, the big sneeze. I don't know. But anyway everyone, let's jump into this and we'll see what the big sneeze is all about. Starting now.
Hey! Watch it! Clara,
Right?
I have a big problem.
Fortuna's compact. Whoever possesses it has their every wish granted.
Just leave my food alone and go and take a hike. Sneaky little rat. Now, all we have to do is swap the compacts at the beach. Kyra! I'm so sorry. Clean that up. Okay, what are you doing? It's ruined. I want it on the dress!
I thought you said that granted wishes.
There is something very weird going on.
These all magical items, I'm guessing?
Hey, where have you two been? At the cafe?
So you're up enjoying yourselves while we work?
Well, we're here now. What do we do?
The professor wants the contents unpacked and shelved.
And this stuff is valuable, so no magic, okay?
I don't magic I can.
Lily, Imogen, take those to the main section. Give us some space to work.
Aye, aye, Captain.
Something. Then I'll be the big sneeze thing, you know, yeah, but it'll be sneezing.
Wonder what's in this.
Maybe.
It's everywhere now.
Ah, two!
What? Something happened over it.
3 in a row and a bite of your juice.
You know, I've been thinking about that compact.
That old thing. Why?
You have to admit some weird stuff happened.
Weird stuff happens all the time.
Release the memory.
Forget it, Maddie. Definitely no juice for you.
Or can we talk about it over lunch?
Lunch?
You haven't forgotten. Come on, we arranged it ages ago so you were free.
Of course I didn't forget. I just have to make a quick call. Lunch with Matilda? Well, I suppose if you made an arrangement, but get back here as soon as you can. Okay.
Oh, look who decided to come back and help us. How thoughtful.
We could leave again. Right, Lily? I don't like to work where I feel my efforts are not appreciated.
Oh, poor Lily.
They're appreciated.
We appreciate you.
Now, back to it, please.
Has anyone seen my juice?
Nah, you sneezed that away.
Hey, guys. Drinks to start with? OJ for me.
I might try something a bit different.
Coffee.
A mango frenzy. Thanks.
Coming right up.
It's been so long since we did this.
I know. I've been really looking forward to it.
Even more? Where is all this stuff coming from?
Who knows? But the professor said it's very valuable.
Even this.
Ah, careful.
sneeze.
It may have magical
No,
properties.
blow away.
Yeah, the ability to make you nauseous.
Or the dust in the box I opened. We inhaled it.
Whatever you've got, I do not want it.
Well, Kari was here too. She might have it.
She's at the cafe.
What if she sneezes and makes something disappear?
Aye. It's Madison.
Do you think there is a possibility that magic does exist?
No.
You do realize you're starting to sound like Peter.
I know.
If you keep on like this, you might end up looking like him.
Kyra, we need to see you.
Not now, Lily.
It's important.
So is my lunch with Matilda.
Park your boats over there, girls. I'll be with you in a second.
Thanks.
What'll it be?
Just to water things.
Some water for the big spender? For you?
One moment. Lily, we're not here to eat. We're keeping an eye on Kyra. Doesn't mean we can't enjoy ourselves.
I just forgot to sneeze Madison away. That.
Anything on dust that makes you sneeze?
There's an entry about dust that makes you hairy.
Oh, glad we didn't get that. Keep looking.
Oh, you get a sneeze ladder away maybe?
Thank you, ladder.
Good.
I'm okay.
Before,
Yes. Dust-borne magical viruses. Rhinovirus. Hippovirus. Toxic chromosys.
That sounds nasty.
Here, the Trachak bug from Cambodia.
You sure?
We have all the symptoms. Scratching, sneezing. Oh, that's interesting. An entire village in Laos disappeared when the villagers caught the bug and sneezed themselves away. The bug was thought to have died out. Maybe the last of it was in that box.
Does it say if humans with Tri-lings can get it?
No known cases in humans. Nothing about Tri-lings.
So Kari might be okay.
Maybe. Now to see if there's a cure.
Haven't you got rid of that?
How did I get that dress for Ben's first gig?
Maybe you bought it and forgot about it.
No, I didn't buy it. I checked my credit card statement.
Maybe the bank made a mistake.
Not likely.
Well, I don't know.
Why are you being like this?
Like what?
Why can't you admit that magic might actually exist?
It doesn't.
How can you be so sure?
Maddie, magic does not exist.
Kyra, I have to see you now. Sorry, Matilda. What is with you? I think you may be sick.
Nonsense, I feel fine.
You were scratchy.
Probably a mosquito bite. Can you please leave it, Lily? This isn't the time. What is going on? Nothing.
Lily. If you and Lily have something to discuss, why don't you have lunch with her?
Maddie,
Kyra, don't! I told you you were sick.
Oh, she's in school. Oh my. Help! Where am I?
Kyra?
where did she go?
When you sneeze, it jumps things randomly. She could be anywhere.
I'll call her.
One's there, isn't it? Whoever's in the school goes to the mortal realm.
Now what?
Whoever's in the mortal realm goes to the school.
Don't take up a career in stalking. You fail. Coming?
Welcome to my little hideaway.
Alright. She's the one painting the frogs, maybe then. Interesting painting. magic though. Never using the compact thing.
I knew it was you.
What's me?
The magical graffiti artist.
Guilty as charged.
People are looking for you.
Makes a girl feel wanted.
It's no joke, Taylor. You can't let humans see your art come to life. The DMI has rules.
Yeah, stupid rules.
Maybe, but we have to follow them. Challenging the DMI is dumb.
Right.
They can take away your wand.
I'm not scared of the
Oh,
DMI.
you should be. Uh-oh. Good see they doing shit. Martin is.
The Trachek bug. Sounds like some sort of insect.
It's a serious magical disease that hasn't been seen in centuries.
Is there a cure?
Dara's assembling the ingredients now.
Stinking snapdragon.
You're going to run into Martin, were you, Matt?
No.
Him? Or... Pierre
Ah,
Mason?
stinking snapdragon.
That's what it's called, stinking.
That's it.
She only a memory wipe.
She could have been jumped anywhere.
You mean I could have sneezed her to the North Pole?
It's possible, but unlikely. It wasn't a very big sneeze.
What am I going to tell Matilda when we find her?
Magic doesn't
Does she
exist.
believe in aliens? We could say she got abducted.
Matilda does not believe in aliens.
Can't do the magic.
Spontaneous teleportation.
I don't even know what that is.
I made it up.
Lily, this is serious. Matilda's wandering around somewhere, possibly freezing, wondering what happened, and we need to have a credible story.
Peter.
Peter, I can't talk. Oh no.
1 minute I'm in the cafe. Next I'm here. Wherever here is.
Matilda.
I saw a book fly, Peter. Okay, and a ladder moved on its own. Okay, what is this place? How did I get in here? What are they doing in here?
Matilda, calm down. We can explain everything.
Where did you come from?
Kyra. What is happening? Where am I?
Kyra.
Don't.
You're in a magical library.
How?
I caught a kind of magical cold and sneezed you here.
We don't need more humans.
These are amazing.
Discovering the magical realm.
How do you decide what to paint?
Images just pop into my head, or I just say something and have to get it down. Finished. Check it out. It's beautiful. Thanks.
Can't jump over the moon.
Could never do anything like that.
You never know until you try.
Pretty sure I do.
Oh, here we go. Yeah.
Give it a go. You might surprise yourself.
She actually making a friend.
Yuck. That's awful.
You didn't have to mix it.
Do I have to drink it? Inhaling it should be enough.
What is she in after that?
It smells worse than troll droppings.
Why do you even know that?
How will you know if it's worked?
Here we go.
I think that's how.
Yay!
What do we do about Matilda?
Mind right?
We'll have to mind wipe her.
No!
Aye.
I agree with Roxy. It's too risky having her know the secret.
Peter knows, why not Matilda?
Peter believes in the multiverse. If he let something slip about magic, no one would listen.
Is that a compliment or an insult?
You can absolutely trust her to never tell.
Kyra, we have no choice.
I know he's in the hand. With a compact thing. Let's have a back to the cafe.
Oh, what happened?
Are you okay?
Yeah, why wouldn't I be? Wait, where's Lily?
I told her to go. Do you remember anything unusual?
Nah. Don't even try to remember.
No, why?
Remember?
You're the best friend ever.
That's good.
Good to know.
Eh.
You
Breathing would be good.
Kyra.
Sorry. Should we go back? I hear dessert calling.
What was that sitting doing?
See? Told you I was terrible.
No, it's good.
That is good. Butterfly.
Good. It's a rabbit, right? I'm kidding. I know it's a butterfly. You can almost see its wings flapping.
Liar.
Nope.
You've got great talent, Taylor.
A compliment? My day is complete.
But you don't want to jeopardize it by having the DMI come after you.
Alright, you go join the
Why would they do that? Only you and I know I'm doing the graffiti, and, well, I'm not telling.
The DMI has rules for a reason.
She's the DMI, you fuck.
We have to follow them.
Here's me thinking you were different. How dumb am I?
I'm trying to help you.
Just go.
What about your hunch about the graffiti artist?
That didn't pan out. Maybe they heard the bureaus on their trail and gave up.
Maybe.
We can only hope.
Never thought her. Never thought her. That she's the bureau. Or Lily and that. But this is there. She's on the frog. What is it, Lord? Everyone, that was the big sneeze. Dara's nose got him into trouble. He couldn't not open the stuff. He was too curious of his nose got him into trouble by having been nosy. So because of that, him, Kyra and Roxy caught the chak bug virus. So whatever they sneezed, what I've noticed, if you sneeze something in the magical realm, it goes to the human realm. And then we saw Kyra, but she sneezed Madison. She went to the magical realm. So it's like a reverse thing. If you sneeze something from the magical realm, it goes to the mortal. If you sneeze something from the mortal realm, it goes to the magical realm. I wonder if Kyra would have been right, her and Lily, if it was a bigger sneeze. Would have been like the North Pole or something. But they were just like small sneezes. Even with sneezes. But oh, when I was going to say Dara, but it was when Roxy. Oh my word. Why is it all Google always activate itself? I think my phone's broke. Google keeps going off. I do a reaction. But as I was saying, Roxy says something about a village disappearing after everybody sneezed himself away. Ooh. But there were no mentioning it about humans or Tri-ling, so. But Kyra is still a magical being now, or a magical creature. So why wouldn't that affect her, right? And good job that chair from the library appeared in front of Peter and nobody else. If you can hear that drilling, that's the workers working on the elevator. Yeah. They'll be doing it for the next couple of months, they've all, but you know, if you can hear that drilling. But anyway, ooh. And Madison, I knew that would come to kick her in the butt. If they left it alone, they did. She still had the wee fake compact mirror, like Kyra gave her last week. She showed Kyra it and she tried still making wishes. And as Kyra even mentioned, but I says, she's beginning to be like Peter. Even Kyra says it to her, you starting to sound like Peter. Any more of it, you'll be looking like him. That'd be a bit of a joke, she was, but and Kyra didn't want to erase Madison's memory But that's a good thing they did. Like Roxy says, Peter believes in the multiverse. Madison Disney. We've seen how she reacted to the magic last week, the mirror. I want a new dress! I want a new dress! Shouting it out for everybody to hear. That's not keep a secret, that's not. And she was wishing everything there and there. In front of people. She could not keep a secret. If you had the magical item, you found, like, for sake talk, if you found, like, Aladdin's lamp kind of thing, the genie, you wouldn't tell anybody you had a magic lamp, you can make wishes. Because you'd be scared you'd come and take it off you and keep it from themselves or something. Or you would think they'll call you crazy. But you see, Martin, I wish for this, I wish for that, I wish for this, for everybody. So I'm glad you wiped a memory too. It was a 3 or 4 on vote versus 1. Kara wanted to keep that I remember, but I was against it. So was Roxy and Lily and Dara all against it. So that's good that she's forgot. I'm just hoping she doesn't start remembering again like Peter did. They erased Peter's memory once or twice and he still remembered, so yeah. No, Kyra forced Peter to remember in case she lost her memory. It was in season 1. She wanted Peter to show her some things. But I'm just hoping we don't get Madison joining the group by the end of this season. That's all we need. Having the magic realm and the human realm mixing together. But yeah, I think it was Roxy. I'm trying to think. Roxy or Lily maybe says to Dara, next time you see something new, don't have an urge to open it and smell it or anything. Cause if we come back to kick you in the butt like this one did, the chick bug, make them sneeze, make them itch, make them twitch. It's like Jumanji, isn't it? The board. It says like, will make you itch, make you twitch. And it's like a big giant mosquito thing with it. So, yeah. The next episode. Really? I was talking about Jumanji. The next episode's called Welcome to the Jungle. That's the second, I think. That's the second or maybe third Jumanji film's called Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle. I didn't even see that until now. I was just saying like make them itch, make them snitch, no, make them twitch, make them itch. Talking about this mosquito bug. How things connect. Well anyway, Welcome to the Jungle. From the thumbnail I can see it just shows you, I think it's Imogen, it could be Dara. But somebody with a magenta colour on, like a pinky purple colour. Standing with that guy with Peter got that orb for. The orb where he finds the keys. So it could be Dara going back to him with that, trying to help with the other keys. Or somehow maybe Imogen found him with that. But I think it was in Bombay or Taiwan or something. You could go to the guy in the beach. But that's what it looks like. This shows you the guy. I don't know if it's going to say Imogen or Dara. This shows you a face on the side and just the hair at the back. Yeah, if I was doing like that, I still can't see who it is. But I'm going to guess it's Dara. Because Imogen doesn't know about the guy or Dara's quest to find all the keys. So maybe this next key will lead them to the jungle. Maybe. So everyone, so thank you for watching this reaction. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe. It doesn't cost a single penny, it doesn't. And have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend. Stay safe out there everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.